Hi Mark, my name is Omar Neff. As I told you before, I'm new to vermicomposting and I have some challenges in my first beans with the water. I think there's two main reasons for that. First, when I create the first bedding, I may put too much water. And my second problem is I didn't have any way to extract the water that was created when the worms were eating the food that I added. And this was creating a lot of water, and the result was I have a lot of pot worms, and also I have a lot of mites and a lot of humidity inside. And I think I found a very good way and simple way to extract the water from the beans. And I want to share with you and with all the people you want, if you feel free to share this video, in the solution I found. The solution, I will call this solution the well of the vermicomposting bin. To do this well, we'll need a few things. We'll need a table like this one. We'll need a drill and a bit of 532s, maybe 2.5 millimeters. And I have some gloves here, and I have a knife with a saw that will allow me to cut. And I have this plastic bottle. This is a juice bottle. The base is basically a square, and I will use this for creating the well. So the first thing I will do is I will take this out. I will remove the labels. The worms cannot read, so these labels are not required. And now I will take this and I will put my gloves so to protect my hands. Safety first. And now I will cut this in the section where this is a straight section down. So I will use this one here with some care, and it's working well. Now I will turn this a bit. Okay, and so now I have cut this. This portion is garbage as well, this one. And now I have the basic of my well. So now what I will do is I will use this drill and the bit to make holes. A lot of holes here in the fourth side of the well, and also in the bottom. I will make holes here. So when this is in the bin, the water will flow and the water will be accumulated here, like similar to a well. When you construct a well in the ground, this will be very similar, though this one will be in the bin. So let's start this process. Basically, I will start this from the top, and I will do this here. That will be my third one. So now, as you can see here, I have here a total of 5, 4, 9, 13 holes in the bottom of the well. I will do the same thing now on the sides. So now we are finishing So we finish here the holes for all the sides and in the bottom. And now something very important, we need to remove this plastic, the rest of plastic. Depends of the conditions of the bit, there will be more or less plastic, and we don't want to bring this plastic, these small pieces of plastic or bits, to your bin. And it will take some time, but you can clean up this and you have ready your well for your vermicomposting bin. Now that this is being cleaned up, we are ready to install this beautiful well for our vermicomposting bin. This material is the rest of the plastic that they was cut off, and you don't want to see this in the bin. And now I will show you the installation of this and how is the results of collecting the water. So this is the bin, and here you can see in that corner I have installed already a well. I call it well, but it's a water collector. It's the same one, similar to the one I fabricated. Here's another bin, and you can see in that corner the water collector. And I will show you how this works. You can see in the bottom, you can see the water, and I will show you how I can collect the water. So as you can see, I have the well here, or the collector, the water collector, and also I have another one in that corner. And I will show you how I collect the water. With this ladle, soap ladle, I can go into this and I can collect the liquid. Here's the liquid. It's a rich liquid. Can be used as fertilizer. So I put this here, and I will be collecting the water that's been accumulated for a few days as a result. And I will collect from here. You see, you have a lot of water here, and that water can be used for fertilizer, as fertilizer. And that's our water collector. And this material is being kept with the right humidity, not excess of water. The pot worms disappear, and I don't need to use paper to dry out the bin. I hope you enjoy, Mark, and I'm looking forward to hear from you about the solution. Thank you very much. Bye.